Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete Apple Maps data on your iPhone. Option 1, delete offline maps via the Maps app. First, open the Maps app, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Scroll to find offline maps. If you have any saved maps, tap on them and delete, and you're done. Option 2, clear maps data from iPhone settings. Go to your settings app, tap on general, then go to iPhone storage. Scroll and find maps in the list. Tap on it. From here, you have two choices. Offload the app, frees app space but keeps data. Delete the app, removes the app and all its data. I recommend deleting the app, then reinstalling it from the App Store for a fresh start. And that's it. You've just cleared Apple Maps data on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.